Good morning. Today is Monday, March 16th, 2026. I am here at Ortega River Marina, and this is a before video of Oma. Alright, so there is a lot of growth on the keel, hard growth there. Everywhere else, not as hard growth, but a lot of the plant-like and dust growth. We're going to go ahead and clean it up. As far as zincs go, I saw that we have this transom zinc here, which is like a DP612. We have an R5 on the rudder. We have an R3 for the heel casting. And then the shaft zinc, I wasn't able to do a measurement yet because I do have to unfoul it. There looks like there's some line that is wrapped up in it. So I'm going to go ahead and get that off, get that in the after video, and get that measurement. And then the bow thruster does not have a zinc. Alright, let's go ahead and clean it up.